From the home screen, select the App Store icon on the right. Tap the Android App Store icon, select Downloads. After a few seconds, the App Store icon will appear. Tap it. Search for Echo TV and download it. This app allows you to watch live TV channels. Tap back and select Echo VOD, which allows you to watch TV and movie series. Finally, open the Playback app, which allows you to watch popular TV shows you missed in the last 7 days, major news and sports channels. Scroll down to explore and download your favorite apps of your choice.